Guys, this topic. So what is a big data technology and why it matters for your business? Let's go start it. While big data is primarily defined by its large value, where are few others expect that is a qualified information to be defined as big data. When we say big data, we are referring to large, vulnerable data sets that are usually very huge in complexity, most uncontested and coming from disparate data source. Another defined characteristic of this data is that traditional analytical tools fail to be able to manage the scale, complexity, and unconstructed nature of these informations. Accordingly, more specifically, tools that technique are needed to process, store, and analyze it. Thus, make it big data. Before the terms big data becomes is a widespread, the term used with refer to a large data set was BLDBS, very large database, and the information in this was handled by having DMBS or database management service. Big data technology, and then it's any software or utilize that can analyze and process a huge amount of data that may be complex and may even be real times and which cannot be managed thought traditional data process tools. This large data set can however address business challenges and that cannot be addressed otherwise. In other world business in the derive actionable insight from such data analysis and even make predictions for the future based on this data insight. First of all, the three versus of big data. Another interested of define the big data analysis. The value, this is value is a velocity and variance. The value data, the data is a very value variance for these organizations. It could be range of many their terabytes, while the others it would go. It is a petabyte and is a exbyte. Typically, this data is unstarted velocity. This refers of the high rate is which data is generated or collected and could be include the rate of some level of basic is the processing or any actions taken on the data. In LOT driven smart product, the velocity of data collected from this sensors and applied may be so high rate and data moves directly to memory and real-time or near-real actions. Any need to be taken on this data. Variety. The traditional data has a fixed types of format and therefore could fit onto traditional relational database structures. Big data, however, encompasses different types of data such as unstructured or semi-structured, which require different tools and technologies to process and analyze it. Big data can fall into either one of three main categories: structured, unstructured, or semi-structured. Let's look at an example of each these. Constructed data. This data this type of data can be used in the original from the further process and does not need to be converted into digital format or digital not required change in the order to be used analysis. The simple example to be employee salary record in company HRMS systems. Unstructured data. This refer to more random type and does not have any specific patient formatting and therefore needs some pre-processing in order to be used for analysis. Converting in this type of data into the such as data many required is a resource as well as time. Example includes mail, his message, multiple media files, or even search engineer result input. Thank you for watching. Wait for more video.